Hey guys, it's Poet Spice, Jamie Lola Tallulah, and look what time it is. It's time for the Tonic Craft Kit number 28. Now, just to be clear, I purchased these. I don't get any kickbacks or anything like that. This is worth my own money, and so what I say is my opinion based on what I see, what I have, and so forth. So this is not a sponsored video, and I do not have affiliate links for this company. All right, so Tonic 28. Look, 28. So we're going to save that over there. So this is what we're getting this time in this box. So we have some embossing powder, and it is in classic gold. We are getting some treasure chest pure sheen glitter. Now I very rarely use actual glitter, so I don't know, we shall see. Then we have some embellishment mousse, and it is, does it say what color it is? I imagine it has to somewhere. Black ash. So that's pretty cool. That'll be interesting to play with. Then we have this one, and it is a crystal drop, and it's bright gold. So that'll be interesting. This will be fun for Christmas. Okay. Next, they gave us an adhesive tape runner. Now, I don't know if theirs is refillable or not. Well, I don't know. I don't know if it's refillable or not. I might have missed it. But you've got a little dotted tape runner to try. And normally I don't even really like tape runners anymore. I just like to get them on the rolls. There's less waste, except for the plastic, you know, the backing. Then you got this whole pot. I want to take this and open this. I love how they're, I love their containers. They have such cute containers. So this one is actually a glimmer paste. And the color is, what color is this? Black diamond. But as you see, it looks blue. So that's pretty cool. Let's see. Let's open this one. I've not played with these either, so I don't do a lot of mixed media. Oh, well, we can't see it because it's not opening. So I don't want to make a mess. But anyway, isn't that gorgeous? And look at the bottle. It's so fabulous. Oh, it just looks lovely. Okay, then, you see my tonic scissors. Then we got the metallic Nuvo markers. Now, I have to tell you, I have not used the metallic ones, but I have used their other ones, and I love them. I love them as much as I love Spectrum Noirs. And you guys know how I love my Spectrum Noirs. I know some people don't like Spectrum Noirs, but, yeah, the whole paying all that money for Copic markers when I'm not getting paid for my craft, not doing it. So anyway, side note, so you get like a bronze, a silver, and a gold. So that's so cool. And I don't have these. The last two boxes that we got markers and already had those colors, so it's just kind of like, oh, okay. But those I do not have. And then look, you get the black and gold paper, and it shows you the designs on here. 6x6. So that's fabulous. Look at that. So you can see that whole gold and black theme going on. Then we're going to show you the papers. They always have such fabulous papers. Ooh, look at this one. Can you see the shininess? Look at that. And in person, like it looks really silver on the screen, but in person, you can see that the flecks are like different colors of blue and so forth on this black paper. Fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. It's gorgeous. Yes, it is. Then they have this satin gold. It's white on the back, but the satin gold, yes. Then you have some card with the linen. It's their Craft Perfect, so it's got that linen look and then a smoother back. You've got this stuff right here is gorgeous. I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up as wonderful as it looks, but this mug is gorgeous. Beautiful. It's so bad because I always end up hoarding these papers. And then you have this black glitter paper. And the good thing about it is a lot of it doesn't come off. You know how you get glitter paper sometimes and it's just like, bleh. Okay. Then they gave us this one. And I want to say they gave us this paper before, this design before. And it is just lovely. And then you've got this matte black. What? How gorgeous. This would be so cute as penguins. So gorgeous is that. Yes, baby, yes. So those are the papers. And then, of course, we got to put all the goodies. Put all the goodies back in the box. All the little goodies. And then, of course, you know, me being a nut like I am, I always, you just hear me drop that all over the floor. Sorry about that. And now there's an avalanche of everything else coming. So we have this. Yay. So it always comes in this neat little folder. And you have a sticker, sent with love. You have some stamps. Let's see if I can make you see these better. So it's got Happy Mother's Day, The Perfect Mom, Valentine's Day Together, I Love You, Thinking of You, and what's this one say? Sent with love. And all the little flowers and hearts. Then you usually have some kind of advertisement for whatever is either in that kit or the next one. All right. And then it just goes here on this side. And then look what we have. We have the dies. Now, this is a smaller version of a die that they released earlier. So it makes this heart box, and it has a heart lid. So which one is this is the lid, and this is the box. But it's a smaller version of the other one. And you can see you've got layers. You've got multiple layering pieces on the inside here. Another piece for this. Then when you come over here, you've got the same thing. So you have matching. So the same design that's down here, you've got a smaller version here. So that's so cute. And then some extra little bits to create the box. And then you've got this here, and the little flowers. And I'm not sure, but those dies there may fit. No, they don't. They're the wrong shape and size. Sometimes they fit the stamps, but these don't. So then here's a little tag, and I'm wondering, yes, so it goes like that. So you've got the tag, and then this layers over top. So how cool is that? And then you've got two different ones for the hearts. So that'll be fun to play with. The only thing is you got all these little tabs to glue down, like, it's going to be so much. But that'll be interesting. And then, of course, on this one, they show you what the little boxes look like, which are so cute. Look at that. They're so cute. They're so adorable. Right? So adorable. So that is the Tonic Kit for this month. And I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. And they also have now their new December Designer Choice one, which is a cute die as well. All right, thanks for watching, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I will also be putting out, if I haven't done so already, I will also be putting out my 2020 collab video. All right, bye-bye.